Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's session. In today's session, we're going to go over a few currency pairs I have on my watch list and see what potential trading opportunities we have for this very coming week. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, please do stick with us until the end. Don't forget to like this video and share with a few friends that you believe will also find value in it. So we're going to start with the DXY, the dollar currency index. As we can see, prices have been ranging down here for a while, created some kind of a head and shoulders pattern down here, and now have come back to retest this thing right here. So obviously we do anticipate to see a continuation on the upside until prices do manage to actually reach this next market structure right here. So for this coming week, obviously I'm bullish biased on the dollar pair. Now, how will this be impacting the other currency pairs? We do have USD JPY looking for a bullish move on this. As prices are now here on this support structure, I'm anticipating to see a bullish continuation from that market structure on the lower time frames. Euro USD obviously has already broken and created some kind of a resistance on this structure right here. So obviously anticipating continuation in the bearish direction. Out of all the pairs of the dollar, GBP USD is the one that still hasn't created a proper market structure, if you will. It has already broken the structure, but no clear retest, no clear structure formation that's actually allowing us to take a trade. So I will be focusing on the dollar pairs this coming week. However, I will be focusing on Euro USD and USD JPY. Now, that being said, those are the dollar pairs that we have on our watch list. So if this is valuable to you, I'd please ask you to consider subscribing so that we can actually reach and impact more people with our trading insights. So back to the video, we are going to go ahead and talk about JPYX. Obviously, we do understand that JPYX is inversely correlated to the dollar. Now, as you can see here, prices have been creating lower lows after lower lows, and this is from a daily perspective. So obviously it means these structures actually have a weight to it. Now, on Friday, prices closed with a doji indicating a lack of momentum or indecision. Now, from this market structure, I do believe that prices will keep on going lower and keep on pushing lower. So obviously entries will have to be on the lower time frames after you get your proper confirmations, but this is the directional bias. Now, how will this be impacting the other currency pairs? We do have UJ. Now, if JPYX is bearish, this has to be bullish. However, it's been created in the trend, but obviously you can see that prices still have no confirmation. So obviously we have to hold on to it and not make any rash decisions until we get a proper bullish confirmation. As of now, I don't see any proper confirmations. If you put a trend line, you can see it has already been broken, so still no proper bullish confirmation. So I'm not really going to be looking to take any trades with this one. Now, if we talk about CAD JPY, obviously same thing, same thing. Structure has been broken from this internal structure to this outer structure where prices actually gave us some kind of a false breakout. Still, it's been ranging. You can see this, it's a range. There's no denying that. So obviously we may have the bias, but still you need proper confirmations on the lower time frames to actually take a proper trade. However, you need to understand that it has to be an intraday trade on the JPYX because prices are ranging a lot on the JPYX. Now let's talk about the dollar. Gold. Now, with gold, this is from the daily perspective. Obviously, prices created some kind of a double top up here, broke the neckline right here, and gave us some kind of a retest. So obviously, what I'm anticipating is a continuation for prices to keep on selling until they hit this bottom right here. And should we actually measure that, the distance from the top has to be the same distance from the neckline to take profit. And as you can see, it marches perfectly. So I do believe gold for this coming week will be mostly bearish. And those are the opportunities you guys should be looking at. As I don't trade gold, I just analyze it for you guys. Now, with that being said, that brings us to the conclusion. And one more thing, guys, I have these EAs that I'm actually launching. If you're a developer, please do kindly reach out to me. I'm looking for developers to help me develop my EAs. Do have two EAs. Both of them are for sale if you want. One of them you can get it just by having an affiliate link, and the results are actually posted in my free Telegram group if you want to see how they have been performing for the past year. The results are posted there, the win rates, all the details about that. And if you still want more details about them, you can always reach out to me. And with that being said, guys, I appreciate you watching thus far. Now, till next time, guys, appreciate you all. Let's have a killer week. Cheers.